Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm over here getting adjusted by the best, Dr. James Ferry. Guys, I have to do this for the overall health of my body. This is how I make my money. Ooh-wee! This right here behind the knee hurts the most. I've been teaching a lot of indoor cycling. I've been doing mixed fit with Nisha. Guys, you only have one body. Take care of yourself. I'll post his address in the description.